Once upon a time, a little boy lived near a big forest. One day, he saw a small bird on the ground. The bird was hurt. It could not fly. The boy picked up the bird gently. He took the bird home. He gave it food and water. He made a soft bed for the bird. Every day, the boy took care of the bird. The bird became strong again. One morning, the bird flew around the room. The boy smiled. Then the boy opened the window. The bird flew out and sat on a tree. It looked at the boy and sang a sweet song. The boy was happy. From that day, the bird came every morning. It sat near the window and sang. The boy and the bird became good friends. Moral: be kind. Kindness brings love and friendship.